dirty car. This a dirty car. Look at this. Yeah, there are some occupants also on the second level. And you know, you can own one of the cabin here. They are selling it, but you cannot stay the whole year. You are only allowed to stay in a certain period. I just give the key back to them, and you can actually get inside here, eat in the restaurant. This is open for public, not just for the hotel guests or caravan guests. Yeah, look at that. The water is very calm, peaceful. You can actually go kayak and do other water activities. Really nice. Yeah, that's the greenery. Let's see what's next destination has to offer. Beautiful, it's really scenic here. Yeah, greenery. Amazing. I wish I can record everything and show you everything. Yeah, it is really beautiful. Over there, just beneath the moon, there's a man that is the one more time. And over there, lighting the shadow of my life, open up. Can you see one more time? You will see the beauty in your eyes. You will be there when you before, and you will be there. Hey, yesterday I was driving in a road like this, and that is in the mountain. Yeah, the place is actually mountain ranges, so it means it's a series of mountain, a lot of cliffs, dangerous, but I was able to make it, full of courage to see the beautiful environment, the nature. Oh, there's one car at the front. A lady driver. You know, we're looking for a place where there is an internet connection. We're going to stop and maybe stop for a coffee or something to eat and connect to the internet world. There are houses here, but they are very far from each other. I think this is a kind of a hacienda or a ranch. And we end up at, we reached this place. It's called Mount Buller. And if I'm not mistaken, there is snow on top of the mountain. I was not really expecting this to be this soon that I will be here. It was maybe an hour drive coming from the place where I stay for the night. And I paid $60 to get in here, and I am allowed to stay for 24 hours. Similar to Mount Kosciuszko, you need to pay. In Mount Kosciuszko is much cheaper. It's $49. Here is $60. And I saw on the entrance that there is no petrol station inside here. And so I get outside, and there is one petrol station there, but they have only diesel and unleaded. And the unleaded that they have is the 91. And I was not sure because I was always putting 95 or 98. And so I asked some of the guys. They said, it will be alright. So I put $20 of 91. And one thing I noticed in the road here, with color yellow line. And I think the purpose is to be visible even there is a snow. And the temperature here in this area is still 11 degrees centigrade. Wow, very small road here. The speed here is 60 kilometers per hour. Quite dangerous. Okay, we stop here for the moment. Along the way I was very slow. 40-50 kilometers per hour. And there is one car at the back. Yeah, and so I give way. And you know, the road here is more scary than in Kosciuszko. Delicious. Okay, just finished the sausage roll and we go. And to be honest, yeah, it is cold. I go there first to check. So this family asked me how is it. Yeah, because this place is closed. Yeah, it is cold. I need to go back to the car and wear the snow jacket. I basically have this. The trouser may be not enough. Yeah, I have this. Look at this. There is a stairway here going to that kind of a sky glider. I don't know what do you call that. So that's the snow. And there are many houses on top of the mountain. I don't know if they are houses or yeah, looks like houses. Okay, let's go down. Oh, there is actually a shuttle going up to the mountain. And it is free. Amazing. Okay, and we are now here on top of the mountain. There is a church over there. Also fire station, and there's some establishment here, mostly snow related, winter related. This is like a snowy community. Yeah, there are shops, restaurant everywhere, and children's playground. Yeah, this is like a shopping mall area. This is a different world experience for me. Yeah, this is very different from Mount Kosciuszko in Perisher. Shops, restaurant. So this is like the town square. And then down here a little bit more of walking, and there is the snow. My hand is feeling numb a little bit. I am really happy that I come here. Whoa, really good. Oh wait, look at that. Actually on that side there is another snowy. Oh, it's a tubugan. Yeah, just a small space. When I check, there are just around 500 residents. I mean, on the census. But why there are so many buildings, so many apartments? I need to buy gloves. Gloves. Oh, my ears is getting numb now. Also my hand. That's why I need to go to the inside to buy gloves. And cover my ears with this. Oh, now it's protected. Yeah, good. Not good feeling, but it's okay to experience things like this. I still didn't see any gloves. Yeah, let's go up there. Look at that. They are having a hard time to get down. And I heard one lady. She said, I can't wait to change my shoes. Yeah, welcome to spring skiing. Yeah, because it is spring season now. I'm not going to do that. Yeah, there are several restaurants down there. Okay, I've seen already everything here in the town center. Didn't found any gloves. Oh, very nice. There is actually a grocery here. Yeah, it's good. I hope they have ordinary gloves. Yeah, these gloves are $18, but I don't need that. I need just this one. I think this is okay. Okay, now that I have gloves, it is somehow going to reduce the coldness, and we are now able to walk going up there. And you'll notice there are many buildings in here. I believe most of that are like accommodation. this kind of buildings maybe really designed for snow. Oh, there are actually different restaurants in different parts of the area. Yeah, just like this one, Moose Head Bar. And look at this art, different side view faces. Yeah, that's the main ski area. And there is the road here. Yeah, and there is the waiting area for the bus. So this is the timing of the bus daily, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. every 15 minutes, also 10 p.m. Nice. And this is the skiing site. Yeah, really nice. Amazing. Okay, we're now going inside the restaurant, eat something. Okay, so yeah, I just finished eating the meal, a cup of coffee, and now we're going to continue walking around here. Yeah, they have this kind of a special vehicle. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, like there is no border, like there is no boundary between the clouds and the snow. But for sure when we get there, it will be visible. And I just checked online the hotel here. The cheapest is $258. Yeah, and the rest of the area, no availability. Medical center. Can I go and walk over there with my ordinary attire? Yeah, this is hard snow. I think I can do that too, but no need. I don't have too much urge to do that. Okay, we go walking in the roads. So it's like we are walking normally in yeah, in Russia, in Iceland, in Greenland, in Alaska. Oh, Alaska. Alaska is one of my in the bucket list. I want to experience the snow and midnight sun. There's some apartment here that for sale. Yeah, look at this tree, now broken because of the ice. More houses, and it is not allowed to sleep, to camp here in Mount Buller. Yeah, that's why later, I mean, I don't know yet where we are going to sleep tonight. I don't know yet. Yeah, look at this.